Hey there, super explorers. Are you ready to go on an epic adventure today? Imagine a world where words come to life, where you can giggle with joy, sparkle like a star, and explore magical places, all without leaving your seat. Well, guess what? That's exactly what we're doing today. We're learning 10 awesome words that will make you smarter, braver, and even more curious about the world around you. So grab your imagination caps, put on your adventure boots, and let's dive into a world of fun, learning, and wonder. Ready? Let's go. Today's word is adventure. An adventure is an exciting journey where you discover new things. Imagine this. We're exploring a jungle, climbing trees, and finding hidden treasure. Here's how you can use the word. We went on an adventure to find hidden treasure in the forest. Reading books can take you on a magical adventure. What kind of adventure would you like to go on? Let us know in the comments. Next up is curious. Being curious means you want to learn or know more about something. Look at this curious kitten. It's wondering what's inside the box. Here are some examples. The curious kitten explored every corner of the room. I'm curious about how stars twinkle in the sky. What are you curious about? Tell us below. Now let's talk about giggle. A giggle is a happy, silly laugh. Watch these kids giggle as they play with bubbles. Here's how to use the word. The baby started to giggle when the puppy licked her face. We couldn't stop giggling during the funny movie. What makes you giggle? Let us know. Time for sparkle. Sparkle means to shine brightly with little flashes of light. Look at this starry sky. It's so sparkly. Here are some examples. The stars sparkle in the night sky. Her dress sparkled under the party lights. What's the most sparkly thing you've ever seen? Share with us. Next is whisper. Whispering means speaking very softly or quietly. Look at these friends sharing a secret. Here's how to use the word. She whispered a secret into her friend's ear. The wind whispered through the trees. Can you whisper something to your friend? Try it. Now let's talk about brave. Being brave means having courage and not being afraid. Look at this superhero. They're so brave. Here are some examples. The brave firefighter saved the cat from the tree. It's brave to try something new, even if it's scary. What's something brave you've done? Tell us in the comments. Next up is explore. Exploring means discovering new places or things. Look at this little explorer. They're finding all kinds of cool stuff. Here's how to use the word. Let's explore the park and see what we can find. Scientists explore the ocean to learn about sea creatures. Where would you like to explore? Let us know. Now let's talk about wonder. Wonder means feeling amazed or curious about something. Look at this kid wondering about the stars. Here are some examples. I wonder what it would be like to fly like a bird. The children looked at the rainbow with wonder. What do you wonder about? Share with us. Share with. Next is friendly. Friendly means being kind and nice to others. Look at these friends playing together. They're so friendly. Here's how to use the word. The friendly dog wagged its tail when we approached. She made a new friend because she was so friendly. How do you show you're friendly? Tell us below. Last but not least, imagine. Imagining means picturing something in your mind. Look at this kid imagining they're flying. Here's how to use the word. Imagine a world where animals could talk. I like to imagine I'm a superhero saving the day. What do you like to imagine? Let us know in the comments. Wow, we learned 10 amazing words today. Adventure, curious, giggle, sparkle, whisper, brave, explore, wonder, friendly, and imagine. Which word was your favorite? Don't forget to practice using these words and share your examples with us. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more fun learning.